Hello again. I just wanted to briefly remind everyone that we have a couple great options for financing fixer-uppers, and those are our FHA 203K as well as the Fannie Mae Home Style Renovation product. Homebridge is actually the number one lender nationally for the 203K, but we also do a lot of the Fannie program as well. Since so much of the process happens after closing, having an experienced back office staff dedicated to the servicing of these loans through the renovation phase is critical. And our team is excellent, helping make the customer experience second to none here at Homebridge. Now, while there are some differences between the two, and each have a streamlined version for lower renovation amounts, both basically offer the ability to roll the cost of the improvements into the final mortgage amount instead of needing to finance those improvements out of pocket after closing or take on additional separate liabilities at higher rates. This way, the borrower will ultimately end up with not just a renovated and updated property, but one that meets their specific tastes and preferences. And this opens up the potential pool of properties they might consider, which is, of course, already very limited lately. So it really can offer a win win scenario. The pricing does run slightly higher, so it wouldn't be ideal for minor projects. And you do want to plan for some extra time on these due to the additional upfront work involved with selecting and approving the contractor, getting the plans and specs nailed down. But they don't run as long as many people think. Usually 45 to 60 days would be plenty of time, versus standard 30 to 45-day turnaround time on as-is resales. And one nice feature of the FHA product is that you can actually exceed the appraised value based on improvements by as much as 10%. So that really offers a lot of flexibility and limits the risk of a low appraisal killing the deal. With the Fannie Mae product, you can borrow for second homes and investment properties. And there are some other pros and cons to each depending on the overall credit worthiness of the borrowers. But do keep these programs in mind because they really are underutilized. And also, I do have some flyers available for anyone who might have a listing where you think this would be a good option to present to potential purchasers coming through the property. So please feel free to reach out to me anytime if you'd like to discuss these options further or anything else for that matter. And of course, I'd be happy to do so. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.